We got Ryan cooking steaks up in the kitchen right now.
Sure thing certified, guys. Come on now. Give a man a steak, guys, or you can teach a man how to cook a steak. That's feeding somebody one time or delayed gratification for a long time.
These are pretty big pieces, bro.
And the bone's in there, so that's like part of it. But got technical on.
You're trying to get me copyrighted.
What?
Like, hey, this is going on YouTube.
Hell yeah.
Nobody wants to listen to that.
Everyone.
About to eat on the balcony, guys. We got the steaks on the sunset. Well, it's not really sunset yet, but it's like 5:30. Man, it looks good. Time to try and bite real quick. Oh, let's see. Okay, Ryan. Not good.
Yeah.
Sure thing certified?
Sure thing certified.
Is these Ryan?
We got some bone-in ribeyes, medium rare, the garlic butter base. Then we got some simple mashed potatoes, Bob Evans style. Throw that in here, nice side. We hit them with the garlic, butter, thyme, rosemary. Good crust. Sure thing certified. We're happy.
We got the vitamin D going on too. That's me?
Yeah.